Hello Planet Watchers. As we know that Planetwatch team has changed the process of buying licenses and the products from their website. If you are the one who loves Planetwatch project, then you know that you could buy the licenses or devices by using our Algorand wallet, which was quite simple and straightforward. But now this option has removed, and if you want to buy anything from the Planetwatch website, you need to connect your Algorand wallet with Myalgo platform. It might look quite complicated at first glance, but in reality it is quite straightforward. In this tutorial, we will learn step by step how to buy a Type 1 license by using Myalgo platform. So let's get started. First, go to the Planetwatch website and log in with your credentials. In menu, click Buy and select Licenses. You can select the license of your choice, but I will buy Type 1 license. Select Duration and press Add to Cart. If you want to add more than one license, add this amount in Quantity section. Price of Type 1 license is €250 plus 25% of VAT. In total, I will pay €312.50. Now press Proceed to checkout. On next page, you will add your all details which you have used in Planetwatch Explorer website. Scroll down, check Terms and Conditions and press Pay with BlueMe. It will take you to this page where you will make a payment. Here you can enter the billing information. If you have already bought a couple of products from the Planetwatch website, then you know that we had two options for payments. One is the Algorand network and the second was Algorand wallet. But now we have only one option available, Algorand network. Now you have 15 minutes to complete your order to avoid order confusion, which I think it is more than enough. Now you can select only one available options, Myalgo wallet. At the time of this recording, I will be paying almost 939 planets token. Now press connect. For sure, if it is your first time, you need to set up your wallet. Press Setup Wallet Options and it will bring you to the wallet.myalgo.com. Press the button Access Now. Check Terms and Conditions and continue. In this page, you will see only password options, which is quite strange because we need username to log into the website. But in this case, your username is actually your computer, or to be very specific, your web browser. If you will switch to different computer or different browser on the same computer, you need to do this process from the very scratch. So enter your password and confirm password and continue. In next landing page, you can see different options. Connect with your hardware wallet, create a new wallet and send planets in it, or import wallet with the seed phrase. I will be using third option because my planets are in my Algorand wallet. Click on Import Phrase option and carefully add 25-word seed phrase which you can get from your Algorand wallet. Once done, press Import Wallet. If phrase is correctly entered, it will ask you to enter your recently added password. Once your wallet is successfully imported, you can see your current planet's balance. Now you can switch back to the payment page. If wallet is not connected automatically, press Cancel and connect again. Enter your selected password. It will show you the interface of your Algorand wallet. Press Connect. Now you can see the amount which you will pay for your product. In our case, it is Type 1 license. Press Connect and enter password. Here you will see your planets which will be used for the payment. Now press Continue. Press Make a Payment. You can check your wallet details if you want and press Continue. Enter password one more time and sign the payment. It might take some time to complete. Once the process is completed, you can see the message that your transaction has been sent. Your payment will be completed once it is verified. Once the process is completed, you will see a message on your screen that your payment is successful. And after that, it will bring you to the page where you can see the details of your orders. And that's it. Press the like button if you think that this video is helpful. And every comment will be appreciated. And most importantly, take care of your planet.